Here are 5 important privacy settings you need to change on your iPhone right now. Takes less than 2 minutes. Before we start, hit subscribe and tap the bell for more iPhone tips every week. 1. iCloud Private Relay. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. Scroll down, find and turn on Private Relay. This hides your IP address and browsing activity in Safari, so websites and your internet provider can't track you as easily. 2. Grant accessories access. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, scroll to Wired Accessories, and choose Ask for New Accessories. Now, your iPhone will ask for permission before connecting to unknown accessories or cables, protecting you from data theft through malicious charging cables or devices. 3. Email Privacy Protection. Go to Settings, Apps, Mail, scroll down and tap Privacy Protection. Turn on Protect Mail Activity. This hides your IP address from senders and prevents them from knowing when and if you've opened their emails. 4. Turn off app tracking. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Tracking, and turn off Allow apps to request to track. This stops apps from tracking your activity across other apps and websites to build an advertising profile on you. 5. Turn off personalized ads. In Settings, Privacy and Security, tap Apple Advertising and turn off personalized ads. Apple will stop using your data to show you targeted ads. 5 settings, 2 minutes, and your privacy just got a whole lot better. Subscribe for more iPhone tips and check the link in the description to follow me everywhere.